Getting started with CompTIA ITF Plus exam preparation.
CompTIA IT Fundamentals, ITF Plus, is an entry-level certification that covers essential IT topics. Before you begin studying, it's important to choose reliable resources that cover the exam's domains. Focusing on reputable books, courses, and practice tools will help you understand the concepts and gain confidence for exam day.
Recommended books for ITF Plus success.
A popular choice among candidates is CompTIA IT Fundamentals ITF Plus Study Guide by Quentin Doctor. This comprehensive book covers all exam objectives and includes end-of-chapter review questions. Another helpful option is Mike Meyer's CompTIA IT Fundamentals All-in-One Exam Guide, offering detailed explanations and practical examples ideal for beginners.
Top online courses for effective learning.
Online courses provide engaging lessons and flexible study schedules. Platforms like Udemy offer ITF Plus courses with video lectures, quizzes, and hands-on labs. CompTIA's own Cert Master Learn provides structured content and interactive exercises. These options help learners grasp key IT concepts and track progress throughout their studies.
Practice tests to boost your confidence.
Taking practice exams is vital for familiarizing yourself with the ITF Plus exam format, such as Measure Up and Exam Compass offer up-to-date exam-like questions. Many study guides and online courses also include practice tests that replicate the actual testing environment and explain correct answers, helping to highlight areas for improvement.
Tips for effective ITF Plus exam preparation.
Start by creating a study plan that covers all the ITF Plus domains. Use a combination of books, online courses, and regular practice tests. Focus on understanding the basics of IT, such as hardware, software, networking, and security. Reviewing the stakes on practice exams and seeking clarification on difficult topics can greatly improve your chances of passing the exam.